In this video, we will look at how to set up remote desktop access in Linux Mint using AnyDesk, and what we are trying to do is install AnyDesk on this Linux Mint desktop and access it from a Windows computer. So we will first start by installing AnyDesk on this Linux Mint computer. So first we will download AnyDesk. Here click the download button and make sure you have selected Linux, and then click on use deb repository, and you have to set up the deb repository using these commands, and we will run them by one. And this command here is one single command, not two commands, so make sure to run it as a single command. So we have set up the repository, and now we can install AnyDesk. Let's see, sudo apt installing this. Okay, AnyDesk was installed, and we can look at the status using the command systemctl status AnyDesk, and it is right now enabled. To enable mean it will start by default when system reboot, and active running means it is now the AnyDesk service is running, and we can start and stop the service using the command systemctl stop AnyDesk will stop the AnyDesk service, and to start we can type systemctl start AnyDesk. So we have installed AnyDesk. Now let's see how we can set up remote access, and here we will start AnyDesk under the internet, and here is the default session called new session, and we have to, and this is our address, and we will use this address to connect remotely. And first we have to set up unattended password to connect to this computer remotely, and usually we do this by using this setup password button, but probably this is not going to work. And also if we go to settings and security settings, and here if we click the unlock button, it may not work, and if that the case, you have to open a terminal and type sudo AnyDesk and then --admin dash settings, and this will open the settings window in the admin mode. And here go to security and make sure you have selected default permission profile, and then enable this checkbox, enable unattended access, and when you do that, you will prompt to set up a remote access password. Okay, and we have set up the password, and now we will try to access this computer remotely, and we will use this address to access this computer remotely. And we will go to our Windows computer, start AnyDesk, and type the address here and press enter. And we will type our password we set in the Linux Mint desktop. And now we have a remote session to our Linux Mint desktop. And if we go to the Linux Mint desktop, you will see this session window, and if you want to disconnect it from your side, you can click this disconnect button. Usually we use unattended access to access our own desktop from remotely, but if we want to share this screen with someone else, we don't share our password. Instead, what we are going to do is share this address, and when the user on the other side enter the address, and you will see this pop-up box on your side, and if you here click accept, and it will establish the connection without password. So that's how we share a screen with someone else without password. And let's also try to access our Windows desktop from the Linux Mint desktop using the AnyDesk. And here's the address of the Windows computer, and we will type it here and click connect. And here we have access to our Windows desktop also from the Linux Mint using AnyDesk. So you can do it both ways. If you want to uninstall AnyDesk, and if you don't want it anymore, and this is how we do it. And first we want to find out the AnyDesk package name, and we can do this by using the command dpkg-l, and this lists the installed package on your computer, and we want to find the AnyDesk package, and here it is just AnyDesk, and we will remove it using the command sudo apt purge. And that will remove the AnyDesk package, and we will also run the command sudo apt auto remove to remove any leftover dependency packages, and that will completely uninstall AnyDesk from your computer.